Hello, my outstanding scholars. I welcome you to yet another exciting and fun-filled ICT class. I'm glad to have you here again. I'm sure you're ready to learn. Sit back and have fun while learning. In this lesson, we are going to be looking at the topic input devices as well as output devices, and we are going to be learning the meaning of input device, the examples of input device, and the functions and uses of the various input devices. Okay, firstly, what are input devices? What is an input device? Input device sends or enters data into the computer for processing. Input devices are devices that send data into the computer for processing. The job of an input device is to help the user pass data into the computer for further processing. The input device sends data into the computer for processing. Now, let's take a look at some of the examples of input device. Number one is the keyboard, the mouse, the webcam, the scanner, the joystick, the microphone, light pen, and the trackball. All these are examples of input device. Let's take a look at some of the uses and functions of these various input device. The uses or function. What does the keyboard do? The keyboard is used to type in data into the computer. It contains keys of alphabet, numbers, symbols, and special characters. Now, this is a pictorial example of the keyboard. This is how the keyboard looks. I'm sure you must have seen a keyboard. Okay, next we are going to look at the mouse. The function of the mouse. The mouse is a pointing device which is used to select items on the monitor. It's a pointing device which is used to select items on the monitor, which is the TV-like computer part, which is called the monitor. This is the pictorial example of a mouse. This is how a mouse looks like. I'm sure you must have seen a mouse before now. Now let's quickly look at the next pictorial example of input device, scanner. A scanner is a device used to digitalize documents. It is used to scan documents and send into the computer. Let's look at joystick. A joystick is a pointing device which is used to play game. And this is a pictorial example of a joystick. This is how a joystick looks like. Let's look at microphone. A microphone is another input device, and a microphone is used for speaking and recording. It is used to record your sounds, and the sounds are being sent into the computer. Webcam. Webcam is another input device, and it is used to capture both still and moving images for the purpose of video calls, chats, or computer storage. This is a pictorial example, or these are pictorial example of webcam. There are different types of webcam used in the computer system. Okay, quickly we are going to take a look at the output device. Output devices. What is an output device? An output device are devices that displays or sends out the result of processed data in the computer system. An output device displays or brings out the result of processed data in the computer system. The job of an output device is to help the user receive information that has been processed by the computer, either in the visual or the audio format. I'm sure you're having fun learning, kids. Okay, let's take a look at examples of output device. The examples of output devices include monitor, printer, projector, speakers, headphones, plotter, and sound card. All these are examples of output device. Let's look at some of the functions or uses of these various output devices. What is the function of a monitor? The monitor displays all the processes by the system. The monitor is a device used to display all the processes by the computer system. It displays whatever goes on in the computer. The monitor is the television, it's like the TV set, which allows us to view visuals of channels on a satellite network like the DSTV. This is a pictorial example of a monitor. This is how a monitor looks like. And let's look at the next output device, which is the printer. The printer. What is the function of a printer? The printer is used to produce information from the computer to a hard copy form. Whatever has been processed by the computer can be produced or can be sent out through the printer in a hard copy form. These are pictorial examples of printer, different types of printers. Now let's take a look at the next. Here we have projector. Projector, we must have seen projector just like we use in our various classes. The projector is used to cast both still and moving pictures on a surface. It is used to send still and moving pictures or images on a surface. This is how a projector looks like. Now next, let's look at speakers. Speakers is another example of output devices. What is the function of a speaker? It is used to play or produce audio sound from the computer. Speaker is used to play or produce audio sound from the computer. And these are examples of speakers. Okay, kids, we are going to end the class here today. I'm sure you had fun learning. I hope to see you in my next lesson. I love you. Bye.